Today we have our Holston cupcake maker that can make up to 12 full-size cupcakes. But guess what? We're not making cupcakes today. The family is hungry, so today we're going to make mini chicken pot pies in our cupcake maker. To begin, we're going to release the lock on this handle and open up the cupcake maker and brush a bit of oil into each cup. The cups already have a non-stick coating, but I prefer to add a bit of oil just for good measure. Next, we'll fill each with some dough that we have already shaped into circles. Then we'll fill each with some shredded chicken and veggie mixture we've already prepared. In the mixture, we also added a can of cream of chicken to it and then added a bit of Italian seasoning. Each cup should be filled with about 2 tablespoonfuls. Now, the next part is optional. You can leave the chicken pot pie open face or you can add a dough topping on top. It's up to you. Just make sure you remember to poke the dough topping a few times with a fork to allow the steam to escape while cooking. And here's our chicken pot pies. We made one batch with the dough topping and this second batch is open-faced. How delicious does that look?